Regional centers play an important role in the distribution of a country's population. If a metropolis involves the entire state area, then the regional center is only part of this area. Gyumri is the second largest city of the Republic of Armenia. The administrative center, that is, the central area around which the region's settlements were formed. The city is situated not far from the state boundary of the Republic of Armenia, in the central area of Shirak's fertile field, at the bank of the Akhurian tributary of the river Gyumri. Southward, the city of Aragat's massif begins, while northward lie the bases of the Shirak mountain range. Old records show that Gyumri was known in ancient times by the name of Kumari, then Gyumri. After the joining of Armenia to the Russian Empire, it was renamed Alexandropol, and in the Soviet period it was named Leninakan. The development of the city was aided by the construction of a railway depot in Gyumri and Tbilisi-Gyumri cars, as well as Gyumri-Yerevan-Nakhchivan railways added new stimulus. In 1914, the population of Gyumri was more than 30,000, that is, same as the population of Yerevan, and together with the military garrison, the number of the population was even greater. At the end of the 1980s, the population grew to 230,000. There were many branches of industry, food, textile, and advanced construction. Tragically, on the 7th of December in 1988, within minutes an earthquake ruined the city. Almost all the factories and industrial institutions, the city's economy stopped to function, as well as transport, communication, water, and electro-energy supply was interrupted. There were numerous victims. 10,000 people left Gyumri. A new plan was developed for the construction of the city, and a strong base was developed. Gyumri is now being reconstructed. Vanadzor is the third largest city of the Republic of Armenia. The administrative center of the district is Lori. The microgeographical position is unusual because of the position of the city in the narrow and long concavity between the mountain chains of Pampak and Bazum at the spot where the rivers Pampak and Tanzut merge. The railway Tbilisi-Gyumri passes across the city, as well as few motorways. In ancient times, the settlement was known by a Tatar name, Varakilisa, meaning Black Church. In 1930, it was renamed Kirovakan, and in 1992, Vanadzor. The factories and mills were ruined by the earthquake of 1988, but they have been restored, and the city again has the importance of a large industrial center. Another important city is Ijevan, which is the center of Tavush region, on the bank of the river Aktsev in the northeastern part of the country, on the rail and motor crossways connecting Armenia with Azerbaijan. Historically, Ijevan was named Karvansaray, the caravan path that connected Persia with Georgia and the northern Caucasus passed through here. At present, Ijevan is a prominent industrial and cultural center. Kapan is an interesting geographical center. Kapan's location is wider than the river valley and rises to the mountain chain. This is the largest city of the southeastern region of the Republic, the center of Sunik region. It spreads at the foot of Mount Khustap, on the banks of Vokht River. The geographical position of Kapan, in comparison with the main cities of the Republic of Armenia, is less favorable. The city is far from the economic centers of the Republic, 320 kilometers from Yerevan, and the only railway, Kapan-Ninjevan, goes through Azerbaijan, and from there it connects with the railway net of Armenia. However, this line is not operational now. Development and prosperity of Kapan is dependent on the copper industry and machinery construction enterprises. The city suffered immensely starting 1990 through 1992 due to the bombardment and blockades by the Azerbaijanis. Now the city is in the process of reconstruction. Hrazdan is the newest town in the Republic of Armenia and the administrative center of the Kotayk region. Hrazdan was formed when several small villages merged into a complex unit due to the construction of the Sevan Hrazdan hydropower station. It has a favorable geographical position for transport. Hrazdan is the largest industrial center. The most powerful hydropower stations function in Hrazdan, the largest cement factories as well as mighty machinery construction and food enterprises. The role of Varashabat is unique among the cities of Armenia. The city carried the name Echmiadzin starting from 1945 to 1995. By its economic importance, Varashabat cannot be compared with regional centers or with a metropolis, but it has great religious meaning. In this sense, Varashabat is important not only to Armenians in Armenia, but Armenians all over the world. The Mother Cathedral of Armenia is here. Varashabat is the religious center of all Armenians and the residence of the Catholicos of all Armenians. This made the greatest seal on the destiny of Varashabat. In the center of the town rises the complex of the Mother Cathedral with its diverse constructions founded in 303 AD. Within this complex there is the residence of the Catholicos and the seat of the Armenian Catholicos. Not far from the Mother Cathedral there is the Ripsime Cathedral, built in 618, Gayane Cathedral, built in 630, and other architectural monuments. Adjacent to the Mother Cathedral there is the seminary school which prepares employees of the church for Armenia and the diaspora.